E-commerce now has a search bar. This new feature is going to allow people to easily search for products within the store, improving navigation and customer experience. The benefits to this are huge. This is something I think we've all been waiting for if we use the store feature. This is going to improve customer experience because now they can quickly find specific products using the search bar. It's also going to have customizable design. Businesses like yours can tailor the search bar's appearance to match your store's branding. It's also going to enhance navigation. The search bar helps business users, clients, anybody shopping in your store efficiently browse through products. As far as practical use goes, now anybody that is using the search bar to help their customers quickly find specific clothing items, specific products, courses, anything like that. This is going to improve that customer satisfaction because it's going to allow them to find those products that they're looking for, ultimately increasing your sales. So let me show you exactly where this is. So you're going to be in Sites, and you're either going to add or edit a website. That will be under Websites, and then you will actually go ahead and add that site. Now, if you have already put in your store, you will see that there. If you need to add a store, I'm going to actually direct you to go back and look at some of our previous help documents on how to add your store to your website. So when you have that store in your website, you're going to see these pages: store, product list, product details, cart, checkout, and thank you. So I want you to go into the product list specifically and click edit. Now what you are going to see is there is now a new navigation element in that right-hand side. So go into the navigation element and toggle on Show Search Bar. Now you can view the added search bar in the preview. And now let's go ahead and add that search bar element to your website. So you're going to be in your website page. You're going to click the plus icon. Then you're going to go to Elements. And now you're going to see the new search bar element. So go ahead and drag that where you want it to be. Now, the next step is to configure the search bar. So while you have that search bar highlighted, you're going to go onto the General tab in that right-hand area where we make all of those customizations and edits. And now you're going to go to Color Options. You also have font options and text options. So go ahead and customize that so that it fits the look and feel of your website and your store. You'll also be selecting the search input. So that is going to be under the advanced section, and you're going to locate search input. The search bar feature enhances the e-commerce experience. It's also going to provide your business with an efficient tool to give to your users, your shoppers, to navigate and find products, ultimately boosting sales and customer satisfaction. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.